Hey there, it's New Year's Eve, and I want to use this as an opportunity to pay homage to one of the most classic cocktails around. The screwdriver. The humble screwdriver. You know, that simple concoction that just includes vodka and orange juice and really not much else. How do you screw up a screwdriver? As it turns out, most of us don't really order screwdrivers anymore because it just really... it doesn't taste as good as when we first had it. So today, let's just cover a few basics that will guarantee that you won't screw up this screwdriver. I'm Vince, this is Man with a Fork. I'm going to put the fork down for the day. Let's get mixing. Every great cocktail, every great beverage starts off with good, clean ice. You can't have a good drink without good, tasty ice. And I mean, it should taste pristine. It shouldn't taste like your refrigerator. It shouldn't taste like chlorine. Make good ice. And if you can't make good ice, go ahead and buy some. It's cheap and it's so worth it. Today I'm going to use this round highball. It's kind of cool. We'll get some good clean ice and just top off our glass. Just like that. All of these vodkas over here. And you might think that with all the different things that we've gone through, flavored vodkas, infused vodkas, that there'd be some kind of magic trick when it comes to the vodka. Well, you know what? It's 2018. It's gonna be 2019 tomorrow. The vodkas that are out there are if you get a reasonable quality vodka, you really can't mess up. You know, I've got a few here. Any one of these can fill in admirably. Even your discount brand over here, they're getting better all the time. So let me pick one out here. You'll be pouring in about 1.5 ounces of this stuff. So tell me, why does a screwdriver from the bar taste nowhere as good as how you remember a screwdriver tasting? A lot of it has to do with the fact that your memories are probably fading. You're getting, I don't know, just a year older. The other thing is, your memories are probably based on how your tastes were at the time. And honestly, I'd say you're probably a little bit more sophisticated right now. And in bars, they generally use the lowest common denominator orange juice that they could get. Hey, orange juice can be an expensive thing to keep behind the bar, unless you're going through a lot of these screwdrivers all night. You're probably not going to spend the money to get freshly squeezed orange juice every night, unless this is a really popular drink. So you're probably going to get something that has a longer shelf life. If you want to get a better screwdriver, start off with better orange juice. That's it. It's really that simple. If you enjoy drinking freshly squeezed orange juice, I don't see why you can't enjoy it with a little kick. The good kind. So real simply, we're going to take 1.5 ounces of our quality vodka, and we're just gonna put it right in there. You want it all there. It's delicious. And we'll just pour that right in all the way to the top. Not everyone does this, but I actually like to add a little bit of kosher salt just to the top, just like that. It kind of brightens it up a little bit. Kind of curbs some of the harder edges. The fork makes a little bit of an appearance. We'll use that to stir this beverage. It's amazing. It's simple, it's complex, it's all that rolled into one. It doesn't make any sense. Orange juice is fantastic to begin with. Why not add a little quality vodka and just sip it through? This is a great way to enjoy orange juice and vodka. And a great way to close out the year. This is Vince. I'm the Man with a Fork. I will see you next year. Thank you so much for all the support that you've given me so far. And I am looking forward to getting some more new videos out really soon. Have a happy new year. Don't do anything dumb. Be responsible. If you have to have a cocktail tonight, make sure you do the right thing and don't get behind the wheel.